Let's understand about electroplating by an experiment. So electroplating can be done with simple materials which are available at home. Here we are going to coat the copper plating onto the coin. Let's understand what is electroplating. The process of coating one metal with a very thin layer of another metal by applying direct electric current is known as electroplating. Here, to do the electroplating, we need copper sulfate solution. So we have taken copper sulfate salt and we added little water. Now the copper sulfate solution is ready. Stir well and so that the copper sulfate is evenly distributed. Now we need to take battery. Here the positive terminal of the battery needs to be connected to the copper rod. So here I am taking the electrolyte, the copper sulfate solution, and the anode as the copper rod. And now the negative terminal of the battery needs to be connected to the coin. Now this coin will be acting like the cathode now. So let's attach a coin to the negative terminal of the battery, that is the cathode. So using the double tape, here I am going to fix the coin onto the wire. So once it is fixed, now this terminal is going to act as cathode. Now let's dip this both cathode and anode part into the electrolyte and let's observe the electroplating process. Copper sulfate solution consists of copper ions and sulfate ions. On passing electric current through copper sulfate solution, the positively charged copper ions move to the cathode, that is near to the coin. Now the copper ions gets deposited onto the coin, producing a thin copper plate. While connecting, care should be taken that the cathode and the anode should not touch each other. If it touches, then the circuit will be closed and the current will be passing. Now here the electrolyte is acting like a good conductor and the copper ions are dissociated and it gets deposited onto the cathode, that is near to the coin. So after few minutes, let's observe whether there is any change in color. So when we just observe that coin, we could see that a thin layer of copper is being deposited onto it. This is because of electroplating process, that is the process of coating one metal over the surface of another metal by using electric current. So here if we just place it for like 15 to 20 minutes throughout the coin, the copper could deposit like a layer. Here just I have placed it only for 5 minutes, then the first surface is being coated and the back side it takes little more time. So here you could see the thin layer, how is it being coated. Jewelry is also coated using electroplating technique. There are many applications of electroplating and one of the application is jewelry which is being coated using electroplating.